5 p.m, the day is flying again. Managed to get a car parking space. We can park here completely free now for 4 hours. And there's a waymo. There are so many of these currently in San Francisco. And yeah, look, no driverless car again. I'm going to start the night walking up into Ghirardelli. And we're looking pretty bustling in Ghirardelli today. And there's the yap shop for the dogs. Been in there many, many times. What a beautiful night in San Fran tonight. Gorgeous night. Foghorn coffee. That smells amazing. So Ghirardelli, very famous for obviously chocolate. That guy there, I don't know if you heard him, actually said nice shirt.
Fantastic.
I think it is a nice shirt. And over up here is where normally throw in a coin.
How's the line?
So normal tradition here in San Francisco, throw a coin in for good luck and make a wish. I'm going to tell you guys what the wish is, and you know what it is? 10,000 subscribers. That's over to you guys. I always remember this used to be Sharper Image. Don't know if any of you guys that are watching now can remember the Sharper Image shops. They used to be really good fun, a little bit expensive, but really good unique gifts that you could get in there. And smell food. I think it's seafood I can smell here. There's a restaurant here called Barrio. And there we go, the San Francisco famous cable car. Looking down at the wharf and Alcatraz in the bay. Another waymo coming here. These are just absolutely everywhere in the city at the moment. I think it's fabulous, really. Well, there you go, look, no driver. Very, very clever. And that's obviously how it works its way, its route all around.
On the lights there, you can go.
Got sensors there on the right hand corner. So as soon as the lights go in a minute, it will go. Time for a quick chill in the Argonaut Hotel. Just enjoy a little chill out on these chairs and look at the live view of San Francisco. After that little rest, we are back on our way along the Fisherman's Wharf. This is the cannery. Lots of little restaurants and cafes. San Francisco 49ers. So this is the San Francisco battleground, and you can have all your selfies and different things. But what you can do there is like 3D gaming. And just check these cars out, wow. Nice V8s, you can smell them. Oh, perfect. I think we were really good timing on that one. Didn't burn any rubber there. And across there is a lot of the cars. I saw them last year when we were here. So this truck goes up and down and
Another guy.
I don't know if he's going to move.
Oh,
Look at this one.
no. Oh.
Look at this car. Amazing what they've actually got in there. The city is completely basking in the sun this evening. Not a cloud in the sky. And there's the famous sign, eat crab. You know you're in San Francisco. So that cruise there is 20 bucks, which is not bad value. And it looks as though there's a few sort of seats around the back. Some beautiful seafood restaurants all around there. Look at the boat. We've got a lot of fancy cars tonight. The power of these cars are just immense. Up at the top there is buffet seafood, all you can eat. $32.99. We're now coming up to the famous sign. Been here ever since we've been coming to San Francisco. Fisherman's Wharf of San Francisco. Check this out, the seafood restaurants are all busy tonight. And can you believe it, Alioto's since 1925, still completely closed off. And that must be a prime property. Such a shame. So we have a lot of changes here. We've got the new Frankie's crab stand. And right here, new this year from Golden Gate Park, is the wheel. So this is really good for San Francisco. This has all been cleaned up and makes it look an awful lot better down here on the wharf, and hopefully may bring the tourists back. Yeah, the wheel looks really good. Must get some good views up there of San Francisco Bay. Let's just have a quick look out to see what we can see. And there is Alcatraz. You can hear just to the right hand side the famous sea lions, Pier 39. And right ahead of us is Alcatraz. And Glynn's enjoying the filming in San Francisco tonight. I am seeing a lot of these lovelocks everywhere this year. And we've reached the end of this pier. Beautiful evening tonight. I always like this view. Looking down there at the city. And you've got the wheel there. Well, it's a little bit on the breezy side in San Fran tonight, but we're coming towards the golden hour of the day. And certainly the scenes are looking really, really good. And there goes the bay cruise for the evening. Going to go under the Golden Gate, close to Alcatraz, and the Oakland Bay Bridge. And right across there, look, the beautiful sea lions. Pier 39, guys, we have arrived. And it's pretty busy again tonight. A little bit warmer tonight than last night, but I guess we were a little bit later when we arrived. I'm looking forward to our ice cream. I reckon we go and have one now. Wow, check this out. It's packed, absolutely packed. This is the busiest I've ever seen. Pier 39. A lot of people in San Francisco for Labor Day weekend. It's ice cream time, and it looks fairly quiet. Let's give it a go. So it's been 12 months since we had our ice cream, and that's been worth waiting for. Look at that. Lots of really nice shops on Pier 39. Chocolate, toffee, truffles. What a great atmosphere. Everyone's got a smile on the face. All these shops sell a lot of sweaters. That's something that you may need in San Francisco. During the day, basks in sun. And as soon as the sun goes down, it goes a lot cooler. Nice little restaurants around here. Fresh fish, full bar. Clam chowder, sourdough bread. And look at these guys tucking in. It's good to see San Francisco so busy. Directly behind me, a good selfie spot. California Pier 39. Yeah, there's the doggy shop. Bought Nick a lot of toys from here. And we've got a show here at Pier 39. And he's got a good, or he... Oh, it's Bob. It's Bob. Yeah, we've seen Bob many times. Yeah, Bob's been doing this on Pier 39 quite a lot of time. I'm going to check the locks out here. Never saw that, but you know, last year. And we've got the famous heart there in San Francisco. Here comes Golden Bear, finishing a bay cruise in the evening. These boats are like original from when we were first here in '88. And the sun is heading down. We'll give them a wave, see if we get any waves back. Yeah, we've got some waves there. The next show is at 7:40 p.m. and it's true San Francisco style. As soon as the sun goes down, it's really chilly. Everyone looks freezing now. There's the sea lion. She's ready for bed. And another cracking shot for you there. Coming up to 7:40 p.m. And the Crab House. And there's our favourite ice cream shop in the whole of South. And it's kicking off in San Francisco tonight. 1 cop, 2 cops. And the 3rd cop. This is the queue for the Sky Star. The beautiful old trams. This is number 1062. I don't know what's happening on the wharf tonight. That doesn't smell really big. pretty cool though, yeah? Really like that car. Look at this one again. Only in America, right? Oh my god, look at that. Oh, look at the plates on that one. A lot of colour. Look at all the colour here. Nice car. That's going from the back of that bike again there.